Good morning, beautiful people, and welcome to your oracle reading for today, for 17th November 2020. And this is Shilpa Menon. What have I chosen today? Hi, Juna. Hi, Akash. Hi, Irmila. So good to see you people online. Good morning, Ferry. So, what have I chosen today? I have chosen this amazing affirmation card deck. It's called as the I Can Do It card deck, and I love the message that's come in today. But before that, I hope the last 2-3 days you've had lovely celebrations back in India. Your Diwali was good, your New Year was good. I had just chosen to be with myself because the energies have been quite high, quite intense. So I was quite off social media and phone calls for 2-3 days. Having said that, the meditative world I was in was very powerful and beautiful, and of course I did catch up with few friends as well. Thank you so much, Irmela. So I took that 2-3 days off just to be with myself and quite recharged, and very grateful that I could do that. Good morning. So let me just show you the card for today, right? Let's have a look. It's a damn. Good morning. So sweet to see you online, Ethan. Okay, let's have a look. The card for today is My heart is open and I speak with loving words. My heart is open and I speak with loving words. That is basically your affirmation for today, where you allow your heart to open up, and not just that your heart is opening up, but what you think, what you feel, how you communicate with people. Allow for the tone of love to come in. In case if you're getting a little irritated, take a deep breath and ask, how would love express? And what would love really, really say today if love had to speak through me? This is one of the best ways we can become aware, mindful, and affirm. Now, the flip side of the card is also very beautiful. And you know what's interesting is that the flip side of the card is related to the work and the workshop that I'm soon doing in collaboration with Radhika. And that workshop is all about loving yourself, mirror work. It's starting from 30th November. You can see the details in my on my Insta post. I have mentioned about it, but trust me, it's a very, very powerful workshop. And I'm very fond of sharing that journey. Radhika and I have combined, curated this with additional tools where one can work with. I'll come back to that later on, but let me show you the card for today. The flip side of the card is very beautiful again, and it says, I'm comfortable looking in the mirror, saying I love you. I really do. I can't read the last comment that's come in. I'm trying to read. Okay, so it says that I am comfortable looking in the mirror, saying, I love you. I really love you. Imagine, when I'm telling it to you guys, it's like I'm telling myself, because in the camera I do see myself. And I really hope just for today, you stand in front of the mirror and go ahead and tell yourself that I love you. I really love you. No matter what you do, I'm truly going to love you and continue to love you. If you give that energy to yourself, because it's the beginning of the day in India here, and start doing the mirror work by saying, I love you no matter what, that's the energy you have received, and that's the energy you're giving back to everybody throughout the day, because you have chosen to love yourself first, and therefore the message that goes through is all about love. And I really hope your day is filled with love. Thank you so much, Shalini. Thank you so much, Ethan, Irmala, Akash. I love you all as well. Not just the mirror, but all of you are here right now. So I'm going to just give you lots and lots of love. You can see so many hearts on my screen already. Let the love reach you guys. Right? Yes, Junalima, love you too. Love you all, and have a beautiful, terrific Tuesday. And I pray your day is filled with love. I'm going to show you the card one last time. I am comfortable looking in the mirror, saying, I love you. I really, really love you. And of course, my heart is open with love, and I speak with loving words. See you all tomorrow. Thank you for loving me the last 3-4 days to be in love, to fill myself with love. And really, I enjoyed this me time where My soul was literally looking forward to replenishing and rejuvenating. So I'm all here to spread my love back to all of you. Goodbye, everyone. Have a wonderful day. See you.